Here's a super simple reading practice featuring the sound oo. Let's begin. The night is cool. The moon is bright. I love the mood and also the food. Soon it is noon. I'll watch a cartoon with a goose and a moose. She grew a tree. She also drew a new house. He is my nephew. He can make stew and brew some tea. Last June, I met a rude girl who plays the lute and the flute. The cute mule stepped on a cube and a small toothpaste tube. I cannot argue because it's true. I really did take the blue glue. The statue near the avenue has value and even virtue. Let's review the highlighted words. Cool, cool. Moon, moon. Mood, mood. Food, food. Soon, soon. Noon, noon. Cartoon, cartoon. Goose, goose. Moose, moose. Grew, grew. Drew, drew. New, new. Nephew, nephew. Stew, stew. Brew, brew. June, June. Rude, rude. Lute, lute. Flute, flute. Cute, cute. Mule, mule. Cube, cube. Tube, tube. Argue, argue. True, true. Blue, blue. Glue, glue. Statue, statue. Avenue, avenue. Value, value. Virtue, virtue. Great job. Keep practicing.